In the lively forest, the bird lives. The bird is a singing and cheerful animal. It has feathers and a beak. It can fly high in the sky. It builds a nest in the trees. It lays eggs in the nest. The bird is a musician of the forest. The bird sings every day. It sings to the sun and the clouds. It sings to the trees and the flowers. Its song is sweet and clear. The bird is a joy of the forest. It brings music and happiness to the world. The bird eats seeds and worms. It finds food on the ground and in the trees. The bird is clever. It can find food easily. It can escape from danger quickly. The bird is a symbol of freedom and happiness. People like to listen to the bird. They feel happy when they hear its song. They give food to the bird. They protect the bird and its home. The bird makes the forest a wonderful place. It is a friend to all living things. The bird is a treasure of the forest.